Hello everyone. Today I will show the best working method of how to deploy PHP project on Vercel in 2025. Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. Step 1. Prepare your PHP project. First, make sure your PHP project is organized and working correctly on your local machine. It should have a main file like index.php and all related folders in place. Step 2. Use a PHP runtime. Vercel is built mainly for front-end frameworks, but with the right setup, it can handle PHP too. You'll need to include a special configuration that tells Vercel how to handle PHP files using a custom serverless function. Step 3. Add the right files. You'll also need a config file that defines how the project is built and deployed. Think of this as giving Vercel clear instructions on what to do with your PHP code. Step 4. Push to GitHub and connect to Vercel. Once your project is ready, push it to GitHub, then go to Vercel, create a new project, and connect it to your GitHub repo. Vercel will detect your setup and start deploying automatically. Step 5. Your PHP project is live. After the build completes, Vercel gives you a live link. Click it, and your PHP app is online fast and free.